Good day to our future principals. I am here today for the NCASH Review 2024. Our topic, we will talk about domain number 1, the school leadership. I will give you situational questions and within 5 seconds you have to answer this. And then afterwards, I will give you the rational answers. For question number 1, Miss Santos, a new school principal, wants to improve her school's performance on national assessments. Which professional development focus would be most beneficial for her? A. Advanced statistical analysis. Letter B. International travel to observe schools abroad. Letter C. Leadership in curriculum and assessment design. Letter D. Basic computer skills. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Yes, the correct answer is leadership in curriculum and assessment design. So why letter C is the correct answer? Focusing on curriculum and assessment design can directly impact the school's performance by ensuring that teaching and learning are aligned with national standards and assessments. For question number 2, Mr. Reyes has noticed a decline in student engagement and motivation. Which professional development program should he pursue to address this issue? A. Financial management. Letter B. Student engagement strategies. Letter C. Advanced sports coaching. Letter D. Infrastructure development. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Yes, the correct answer is letter B, student engagement strategies. So why letter B? Learning about implementing effective student engagement strategies can help Mr. Reyes increase student motivation and participation in the classroom. For question number 3, Principal Lopez wants to foster a more inclusive school environment. Which professional development opportunity should she prioritize? Letter A. Inclusive education practices. Letter B. Advanced physics. Letter C. School marketing techniques. Letter D. Legal aspects of education. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Yes, the correct answer is inclusive education practices. So why inclusive education practices? It's because understanding and applying inclusive education practices can help create a learning environment that accommodates and values diversity among students. For question number 4, a school leader is facing challenges with implementing a new technology in teaching. Which professional development focus could best assist them? Letter A. Historical studies of technology in education. Letter B. Change management and technology integration. Letter C. Basic coding skills. Letter D. Physical education advancements. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up. Yes, the correct answer is letter B, change management and technology integration. So why change management and technology integration? It's because learning about change management and technology integration can provide strategies for successfully adapting new technologies in educational settings. For question number 5, Mrs. Navarro, a school head, aims to improve her school's community engagement. What professional development should she consider? A. Community engagement and partnership building. Letter B. Advanced calculus for administrators. Letter C. Overseas educational systems. Letter D. Deep sea biology. Your timer starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, the correct answer is community engagement and partnership building. Why community engagement and partnership building? By enhancing her skills in community engagement and partnership building, Mrs. Navarro can foster a stronger relationships between the school and its community, benefiting all stakeholders. Thank you for watching. If you have donations, you can send it to me to my GCash. Thank you.